Hi, I'm John, or Yokana Ben Abraham, depending if you're my Facebook friends or not. um, Very shortly here, I'm going to be starting a YouTube account, and it's going to be totally devoted to my favorite foods, my favorite recipes, with help from my sister, Karen. Um, we shall hopefully entertain you. So, and that's all I got right now. Just hopefully, and your input, it would be highly appreciated. You know, we never did this before. I'm learning as I go. Okay, remember to like when I do put videos. Remember like and to subscribe. All right. So everyone have a wonderful evening.